So what is the purpose? Okay, well, first off, and we're going to get to this in a minute. This is a consumer protection regulation, and so it's designed to protect consumers. So when we start talking about business-oriented accounts, those won't have to follow these rules. But really, the purpose of this regulation, when it was passed, was to provide information to consumers so that they could protect themselves, right? It was to allow them to make informed decisions about their banking products that they were partaking in. It was also intended to promote competition. So, in other words, if we standardize these comparisons, because if we're going out as a consumer and we're shopping around and looking at different financial institutions, there's a lot of moving parts there. And if you are not, in fact, even if you are relatively sophisticated in your understanding on how these accounts work, it can get very confusing. So these disclosures were designed to standardize how financial institutions were communicating about these types of accounts, so that informed decisions could be made and to allow for meaningful comparisons so that customers could go through and compare one account against another. Because prior to that point, there was a lot of confusion. There were a lot of financial institutions that were frankly involved in some pretty underhanded and fraudulent type of marketing and advertising, and even in how they were handling their accounts. So this was intended to set more of a level playing field.